In this episode, I will show you the 4 best PC case fans to buy in 2023. Before proceeding to the video, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check out description below. Let's get started. On number 1 we have Corsair SP120 PC case fan. Corsair SP120 LED cooling fans combine bright LED lighting, strong static pressure, low noise, and high airflow to deliver great cooling performance anywhere in your PC, whether it's as an intake or exhaust case fan, or mounted to a Corsair Hydro Series liquid CPU coolers. Radiator SP120 LED fans provide up to 52 CFM of airflow where your system needs it, most available in a choice of red, white, or blue. SP120 LEDs 4 hub-mounted LED S radiate vivid and diffused lighting across a specially designed opaque fan blade, illuminating your system with a brilliant burst of color. On number 2 we have Corsair iCue SP120 fan. SP-RGB Elite Series fans utilize anti-vortex vanes to direct airflow and concentrate cooling, improving cooling whether used as intake, exhaust, or mounted to a liquid cooling radiator or heatsink. 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs line the central fan hub and diffuse outwards through the semi-opaque fan blades for a subtle and elegant glowing effect. With noise levels as low as 18 dB, the SP-RGB Elite's translucent fan blades provide ample airflow while still letting your RGB lighting shine through. On number 3 we have Cooler Master Sickle Flow fan. Sickle Flow 120 volts 2 RGB is our signature cooling performance with a rejuvenated ARGB design. Provides a specific air cooling solution. Revised curved blade design to improve airflow and air pressure. A refreshed frosted blade to enhance light dispersion for a more vibrant and luminescent effect. Enhanced frame structure, reducing turbulent flow and noise. Sealed and secured fan bearing, preventing dust and lubricating oil leakage while increasing the fan's operation stability and lifespan. No more worrying about loose connections. The clip secures both ends in place for easier cable management to tire sealing mechanism, preventing dust and lubricating oil leakage while increasing the fan's operation stability and lifespan. On number 4 we have PC Cooler 120mm case fan. The special 9-blade special thread design can minimize resistance and further improve fan performance. The output airflow reaches 31.68 CFM under the standard of 1200 RPM, which effectively optimizes the air duct of the chassis and helps dust removal. The maximum noise of the fan is only 18 decibels. Quiet sound like falling leaves. The noise reduction technology and heat dissipation performance are greatly help customers to build a perfect case cooling system. FX120 fan adopts hydraulic bearing technology. High-performance sleeve bearing with high-performance and lasting bearing technology. It can absorb and conserve lubricating oil, reducing wear and noise effectively. So these are some of the best PC case fans to buy in 2023. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.